We're running down I-10 right now, and we'll get home at 6. We'll do a walk around in the buggy for you guys. All right, boys, here she is. Well, this, you know, this might have been cool. You know, if you had like a Foreman 450 back in the day in 02, pull up to the mud park, you want some 29.5 OGs. But this is 2023, so we're not. We're not doing that, I'm sorry. First modification done. That'll sound way less like garbage, even though it's still an HMF. I'm looking at the new buggy right now, and it's like the P520 grew up a little bit. So here we go. Right here, got a 2016 Pioneer 1000. Look at this thing. What an upgrade. I've always loved the 1005s. I don't know what it is about them. I think it's the roof that kind of does it for me. It kind of reminds me of like a Bronco or something, but they just look so tough. All cable actuated drives, cable actuated diff lock, 4x4 and turf, so you don't tear up your nice grass. Let's get started with the basics. So we have a set of 45" by 24 Moto Havocs. I will say these are going because I don't like Moto Havocs and they're a little big. Mainly when you flex, you rub into this little rail right here, and again, I just don't like Moto Havocs. Those are a set of System 3s, and then this buggy is on a set of 6" dual idler billet 6" billet dual idler 60%. Brackets are rate forward, and then we move on to this is the Texas Custom, the TTC lift 6" with Mega Kellers upper and lower. And then I didn't notice this in the ad, but has a Super ATV frame stiffener, which is a must on all Hondas. Winch plate, I'm gonna put my good old Harbor Freight winch there. Rhino axles, spring spacer on the stock shock. That's an upgrade I want to do eventually. I want to put a set of 814s or some Walker Evans, but you know, that costs money. This was originally a base buggy, he told me, so he put the upgraded headlights in, and it's a base to see no colored doors or no colored bedside, which is fine with me. Don't know what bumper that is. I've seen on a couple buggies, like on the P520 as well. I don't know if it's a Honda or if it's a, I don't know, Tusk or whoever makes bumpers for these things. It also has, he told me, also when I went to go pick it up, that it has, you probably can't see it up there, but it has a Super ATV power steering kit. Got a little bit of audio. It is tuned by Florida Cracker. I haven't flashed it yet, but I'm assuming it's the mud tune that's on this thing. Custom roof. You guys saw before I did my first modification. My plans for this are an internal reduction at some point, just because I think it needs it. I think all Pioneers need it. Maybe do a TC snorkel also coming at the top. I mean, you know, that works. I mean, you know, nice upgrade from the P520. I mean, it's tall too. Like, this is up to my hip. I'm about 5'10", so you know, it's a good jump up there. Start doing my thing. I kind of take off all the extra stuff, maybe clean up the audio wiring. I want to take my time and dielectric grease everything, just go through, because that's what I've done the P520 and never had an issue with electronics, never had an issue with it shutting off or anything like that. No lost spark or anything like that. If you take your time and do it once, you're not going to be stuck on the trail far from the truck because you lost spark, or your buggy won't start back up, or your fuel pump shit the bed or whatever. So I say do it once and then be done with it and don't worry about it again. So we'll do that, get this thing smoke tested. Yeah, should be good, guys.